Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever needed to buy a train ticket in English?
Do you know how to ask about train schedules, ticket prices, and platforms?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about buying a train ticket.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to buy a train ticket, please.
Certainly. Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to Chicago.
When would you like to travel?
I'd like to travel this afternoon.
We have a train at 2 p.m. and another at 4:30 p.m.
How long does the trip take?
About 3 hours.
Okay, I'd like the 2 p.m. train.
Would you like a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
A round-trip ticket, please.
When would you like to return?
Tomorrow evening.
All right.
How much is the ticket?
The round-trip ticket is $60.
That's fine.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
No problem.
What platform does the train leave from?
It leaves from platform 5.
What time should I arrive at the station?
Please arrive at least 30 minutes before departure.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
By credit card.
Please tap your card.
Done.
Your payment was successful.
Great.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, one more question.
Of course.
Is there free Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, there is.
That's wonderful.
Have a pleasant trip.
Thank you.
Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for buying a train ticket, asking about schedules, prices, and platforms.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
Thank you for watching Everyday English Learning.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.